Finished unloading, show clear. Just clear, hammer down, holster.
Guess who put their ejection port up against that?
You got it.
Did.
Hang on, we got all kinds of rounds in there.
You got traffic jam?
Yep.
Yep. Oh boy.
The classic double feed.
That's the worst. Yeah, you had no choice but to drop it.
Once you looked in there and you said, "Oh, I'm done."
I figured it was a double feed. Especially when it was hard to rip out the mag.
Range is clear.
You did a good job with the malfunction, though. You did a good job of thinking quick.
Thanks.
You see, I would have I wouldn't even thought. I'd have been like, all right, I guess I'm done. No.